So in this today's session, we will discuss about rdbms, SQL and jdbc. Already we have discussed about JUnit and multi-threading. Okay, now we are going to discuss about rdbms. DBMS means database management system. So what is DB? What is database? A database means is a collection of tables. What is table? Table is a collection of rows and columns, right? So rdbms means we are providing relationship among the tables. We are providing relationship among the tables that we call as what? rdbms, relation database management system. How we can provide the relationship among the tables? By using foreign key. By using what? Foreign key. If it is a foreign key, the parent should contain a primary key attribute in the table, that you know already, right? So here you can see in this image we have different types of SQL commands. What are those? DDL. DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. DCL means data control language. Next, TCL means transaction control language. Okay, so these are the types of SQL commands we have. Okay, in DDL, under DDL, what queries we can write? Any examples? We can write create query means we can create the table, we can alter the table columns, and we can drop the table, we can truncate the table, we can rename the table and the column values, column names. Okay, these all queries comes under DDL, data definition language. What are those? Create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. Coming to DML, data manipulation. For manipulations we are using insert, update and delete operations. These are the queries we'll use for data manipulation language. Data retrieval language we have. Retrieval means we can get the data from the database by using select query. We have different ways we can use this select query that we can see in the examples. Okay, these are comes under DML. Okay, in the DML we'll write select, insert, up, delete queries. Coming to DCL, data control language. Control means we can give permission to the user to do particular operation, and we can get the operation revoke operation means we'll get back that permission. So that we can do by using data control language, that is DCL. Coming to TCL, transaction control language. In this we can do three operations like commit, rollback and save point. Commit means we can save the transactions permanently. If we want to roll back, we can roll back to one step to the particular operation, or one step to the previous operation. Save point, we will give one save point, we will give one mark, or we will give one name to one particular transaction. Based on that save point will roll back to that particular operation. Okay, these are comes under TCL. So and one more thing here we can remember. So important data types, as you know, in Java we have different data types like int, float, short, long, boolean. These are the some data types we know, right? Primitive and non-primitive. So same way in database also we are having a number of data types. We can see here SQL data types. So some are we have given here numeric type. So we can use int, float. Coming to character or string type, we'll use char and varchar in Oracle. So Unicode character string, if you want to write, you can use nchar or ntext. Coming to binary, if you want to write, if you want to insert the data as a binary, that we can mention that data type is binary. And if you want to insert an image into the database, we can use the data type is image. Coming to date and time, you can use the data type is date and date and time. So so these are the some data types we can use in SQL. Getting my point? So let us see how to do. So I'm using Oracle Tangi, but you can use latest version. And here they are using in your PBL Wipro. They are using 11th version of Oracle, so that You also can download and install, same way you can use it. In my system already I have Oracle, so I am going to start the practical session by using Oracle Database 10G Expression Edition. So click on here, go to database homepage so that it will open in the browser with the local host. What is the default port number? See here, on this local host my IP address and the port number is 8080. So here you can write your username and password of database. I have while I installed, I have given username as system and password also system. Click on login button so that you can see user interface of Oracle 10G. Okay, let us see if you click on this. Okay, no problem. If you click on this SQL option, you can see the user interface. SQL commands, you can click on this SQL commands. So you can write your queries here. We have text area box, right? So here you can write a number of queries. Okay, so let us see a simple example how to create a table and how to alter the table, how to drop, truncate and rename. First we will see CRUD operations. For example, I am going to create a table. What is the syntax? Create table, table name, employee. So already I have employee table. So I have given emp7 employee having employee ID, employee underscore ID. So that is I'm giving a number type. Number you can give into whatever number to of. The size is 20. I'm giving employee ID and employee name, emp name, emp underscore name. I'm giving emp name. That is data type is varchar. Varchar 2 of 20. Size I have given, and employee ID, employee name, and salary I'm giving salary, that is also number type. Yeah, I'm giving. Okay, by using this syntax we can create a table here. Okay, click on run button. Now table has created, missing parenthesis, create table, table name, emp id, number, sorry, number, emp name, varchar 2 of 20, salary. So now you can click on run button. So name already existed, that means employee 7 table also existed. Employee 8 I am giving. So now you can run this one. So table has created here. Okay, so let us see how to insert. CRUD operation I'm going to do create, update, delete operations. So I want to insert some data into the table. How we can insert? By using insert code. Insert into table name. What is the table name we have given? Employee 8. Table name and values of. So employee ID I'm giving. Next employee ID number type 101. Employee name, that is varchar type, right? Within the single quotation you can write ram. Then salary you can use 75. Okay, so now I'm going to insert this data into the table. Oh, before that I want to see the structure of table which I have created just. So for that I can use describe table. Describe table is emp8 semicolon. So by using this query you can see employee 8 structure of the table. We have properties employee ID, employee name, employee salary. So these are the attributes we have. Okay, now I want to insert this data by using insert query. If I run this, you can see one row is inserted. One row is inserted. Now if I want to see the table which I inserted, so I can write a uh, select query. Select star from emp8. So just you can run this one, select and run. So see here, 101 RAM, 75,000, right? Okay. Now I want to add address to address column to my existing table. So what is the query? Alter table, table name is employee 8, add column, add column, column name what we can give? Address, address, that is which type? Varchar of 20 I have given, right? So semicolon. Now you can run this query, run this query. Invalid identifier. Okay, can remove this one. Add address, alter table, table name, add address, data type. Okay, table altered. Now if you see the table again, you can directly select this select query and click on run button. Now you can see, so address has created. Getting my point? Now I want to update the table address of 101 employee, means RAM. I want to update it. How I can update? So we have a query, update table name, update table name emp8, set what we need to set what is the column name we have? Address, address, set address equal to string type, means varchar type, hyd, where we need to set, where the column name is emp id underscore id, right? Emp id equal to 101. Okay, now emp id, emp id equal to 101. Now if you select this one, if you click on run button, you can see the table has updated. So if you want to see, no need to type again and again, just select this query, next click on run button. Now you can see, so table has updated. Getting my point? So these are the some very small queries regarding to SQL related to DDL, DML and DQL. Okay, getting my point? So if I want to see, we have the data here, right? I want to truncat it, means I don't want to delete my table, I want to delete only the content in the table. The table must be available in our database. How we can do? By using truncat query, truncat table, table name is what? emp8. Okay, select this one, run this one, truncat. So table has, okay, invalid statement, sorry, that spelling mistake. Cat table, table name. You click on run button, table has truncated. You can see the message. So table has truncated. So that means table has deleted. No, table structure available, but the data is deleted here. Now if you want to see the structure of table, already we have the query DSEMP8. Now